हेलो हेलो माई टेस्ट। सेकंड मैच का मैं बोलूं यहां से चलेगा? हाँ, पर यहां से ही बोलना पड़ेगा, यहां से ना अपना उतना रेंज नहीं रहेगा वहां पे शायद। आपको यहाँ आना पड़ेगा कमेंट्री के लिए। जी, टॉस होने जा रहा है यहाँ पे। माइक कैसे करेंगे बताओ?
regret will come back stronger. But I think you had the match at the first time. When you crossed the inning, you so wickets, runs, and there was an over, and that was in turning point of the and ladies and fervent eagle, we have a man of the and I would like to announce the bowler of the match is undoubtedly Rajas Samant. Guys, Rajas Samant, and I would like to request Udit to come on the stage and give him the award for the bowler Rajas Samant, ladies and gentlemen. He has given. Wait here, I want to talk to you. I'll talk to you again. So we have. So Rajas, you have scored. You have given 14 runs and taken 4 wickets. So how was the achievement?
Feels great. I was just focused and I was focusing on the movement. I was not thinking what will happen next or where to bowl. I was just keeping it simple. Rest, it was their mistake and I was winning it. So, thank you.
Very, very honest answer. So you are on the mistakes of your enemy. And so we have the next best batsman. Undoubtedly, anybody wants to guess him? Manish Telge, ladies and gentlemen. Can I have Manish Telge? And I would like to Pawan Bhaiya to come on stage and give all. Manish Telge has scored plenty of runs. Scored 2 runs in the sequence. secret of making 50s every time?
Actually, I was manifesting that will bat first and I will score a first boundary of the tournament.
Is it?
The situation and
You wanted to convert 60 to 100.
yes, that's what
So you missed it.
I missed it.
So we can have it like next time.
Try definitely.
Manish taking it once again. All right. The moment has come. Man of the match. Okay, once again, I would like to call Manish Telge the match because he has scored outstanding 62 runs in 37 balls. And I would like to request Sir Manish has taken over again. Manish, congratulations. You have taken away the awards. Man of the match, best batsman. Like to call our Udit to have a word with us. Please give a big round of applause for Udit. So Udit, congratulations for your first win. So are you ready with the win tournament for winning a tournament?
I'm really excited with the new start. प्लान वही था आई थिंक इनिशियली बहुत अच्छी स्टार्ट हुआ था जस्ट होल्ड विकेट पे रुको बस एंड मुझे लग रहा था कि ये वी नो दैट 200 भी यहाँ चेज हो सकता है और 120 भी डिफेंड हो सकता है तो दिस ग्राउंड इज नो पर्टिकुलर पिच जहाँ पे आप बोल सको ये बहुत ही बिहेव करती है तो आई थिंक हम लोगों ने वही किया
Absolutely, you have given the very right answer. ये पिच ऐसी है जो 200 रन भी बीट कर सकती है और वह डिफेंड कर सकती है. Very right answer. Thank you, Udit, for congratulations for winning the first match. Tomorrow. Forget I am an Eagle. Thank you from the presentation ceremony. Have a good day. On है? On है? Oh. Match that we have between fighters and challengers. The top I have a player from fighters I would like to speak to. So I have a player with me, Mr. Rajesh. I think the icon of to speak to him. I would like to know that he has for his batting. You field at the fixed position.
Thank you, Prince, for such a wonderful introduction. Really appreciate that. That at this age also I'm getting those appreciation from a youngsters like you. So the plan is that we discuss in the just huddle to keep the time. The focus will be on the bowlers. Basically, we'll be concentrating on just putting up the 6 balls. They will not go for wickets. So, fault. It's a part of a process. Come to us. So we'll just focus on putting up 6 balls without any extras. So we get more dot, and then we get a wicket because the batsmen get frustrated. We'll get a wicket. We'll try to restrict them to a range of around 140, 150. So it will be easy for us to win the match. So very simple focus or it's the strategy we have made, not much. Because we know the pitch is also damp. Even we would have won the toss, so we should have also selected to bat first. But we lost, not an issue. But we are confident that we'll win this match. And we'll restrict them at around 140 or so. And take it very easily, this match. So thank you very much, Prince.
I'm really thankful that you acknowledge you are the idol for us. But I have a question about the cricket of the last match, which happened between. So we saw that in the beginning, Falcons were heavy. They were 94, somewhere around 89. Eagles are.
See, as cricket is something where anything can change. When I was with you on a commentator box, so I was saying even the last wicket partnership can win the match. So you rightly said, it was 77 for 1, then around 90 for 3, and then suddenly at 132 they were on 9. So the problem was they were almost at a run rate of 9 or so, but everyone was trying to hit the ball. Like no one was trying to convert into singles or double, and there they went wrong. And the Falcons bowler took advantage. Okay, and sorry, the Falcon bowlers took advantage to take the match forward because the bowlers were very focused on just putting up straight balls on the stump, not giving any extras. If you see the score, no extras, and the balls were okay, come bang on the stumps. So either you'll get a LBW or you'll get a bold. So that was advantage got it. So this was.
That's correct. Very correct answer from the experienced pro player Rajesh Arya. Thank you for being the
Sure. I'll request all the viewers to watch the match. The next match is starting, which is us and challenge. So we are fielding. So kindly look into the match. Thank you.
Absolutely, as he rightly said, the next match is between fighters and challengers. Keep watching, keep entertaining.
Thank you.